how to connect Etsy to Printify. Hi guys, welcome back to How to Solution. In this video, I will show you how you guys can connect Etsy to Printify. Firstly, come on to printify.com. After that, simply click on sign up or login depending on what you want to do. I'm going to click on login, and after that, wait for a few seconds, and that's going to take you over to another page. So as soon as you guys go over to another page, now from over there, you guys are going to be able to see their login page. As soon as you guys are logged in or signed up, after that, you guys are going to see this particular page come up. So now from over here, what you guys need to do is that simply click on your profile icon, and then after that, click on connections. Now from over here, simply click on this green button, which is generate. And now from over here, simply type in the name of your Etsy store. For example, my Etsy store's name is Hugme. And then after that, I'm going to type in store. So once I type this in, this is just to keep track of all your connections. Now from over here, click on generate token if you want to do everything from Etsy, or if you want to do something custom, which is basically to get access to Printify's orders, get access to Printify's product catalog, get access to merchant shops, and also get access to merchant upload files. Well, then you guys can use a custom scope. I'm going to choose all scopes and click on generate token. And now just simply copy and paste this in your Etsy store's connections, and your Printify store is going to be connected with your Shopify store after doing this. So guys, this is how you guys can connect Printify store to Shopify. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Till next time. Goodbye.